So I'm going to show you how to make some paper snowflakes. So all you're going to need for this is 3 sheets of A4 paper, or you could use some thin card, scissors, ruler, rubber, pencil, and to stick the bits down with, I'm using these stick it squares that come on a roll, but you could use just glue instead if you want to, but this is a little bit more convenient. So to start with then, I'll just move these bits away. So what we need to do is we need to fold the paper in half. Open it out, and then we are going to cut that in half. Okay, we'll just pop that piece to the side. So now what we need to do is we need to make a square. So we're going to fold that over so that we run along the line and we fold across here. And then we're just going to trim off this excess paper here. Okay. And then that leaves us with a square. So running along this long edge here, we're going to grab our ruler and pencil. Now we need to mark out some little lines. So from the left side here, we're just going to come in on mark the 2 centimetre, the 4 centimetre and the 6 centimetre. Then we're going to fold the triangle into a smaller triangle again. And the points here that I've just marked are on this side here. Grabbing the ruler again, we just need to come in by 1 centimetre. So I'm just going to do a little mark there. And then with the ruler, we are just going to draw a line all the way across. So we're then going to turn our triangle this way, and we need to mark some more lines. So working on the 2 centimetre points that we just did, we're going to straight line all the way across to the line that we just a second marked. Then we move along again, and one more along. Okay, so then with our scissors, we're just going to cut those lines, and we're only going up to that point that we just marked, as you can see here. So we're just going to these little points here, straight up and up again. And we're going to grab our rubber, and we're just going to rub out those lines because we don't want to see any pencil marks when we come to make up our snowflake. Rub that out. Okay, just like that. So we're going to open that up now. Okay, and there you can see our cutout marks here. So working on this side first. So using our first little glue dot, what I've done, it's on a roll, but I've cut them out into little pieces just to make it a little bit easier. So grabbing this section here, the back of, just popping that glue dot down, peeling off the backing, and the glue stuck to the paper there. We're going to grab this end and we're going to meet them in the middle with a slight overlap there, like that. We're then going to turn the paper over, and we're going to repeat the process. Push it down, peel the backing off, get the other end, and again with a slight overlap there. Again, reverse it over, another glue dot, push it down, and again an overlap, and then turn it over, grab a glue dot, and stick it down, and there we go. We got our first little start of a snowflake there. So you need to do that 5 more times, so we need 6 of those in total. Okay, so here's one I made earlier, so I've got a few more here. So what we're going to do is we're going to attach these 3 together. So again, with our glue dots, pop a bit of glue there. You want to stick them together like that. Get another glue dot. And attach like that. So we have 3 together at the moment. So we've got the makings of our snowflake. To speed up the process a little, I've done another 3 there. So now what we need to do is we need to attach the 2 pieces together to make one whole one. So again, another glue dot, place that on that side there, grab your other piece, and what we want to do is join them so they overlap each other, and pop that down there, and then we have our snowflake. But what we now need to do is we just want to join these pieces together so that they don't open up, and then we've got one whole snowflake there. So again, like I said, we need to click those down. So here's your glue dot, nice and simple, pop that on, and we're just sticking those 2 pieces together. Again, just got to work all the way around, just make sure that that's nice and fixed. A few more to do. You could use a stapler as well if you wanted to. I just find these glue dots are really easy to use. Last one. And stick that together. There you go, and there's your snowflake. And you could put a little hole punch in the top there, just for easy for hanging then. And you can make them in different sizes, and like I said, you could use a slightly thicker card, you could use coloured card as well, you could use metallic papers or thin card if you want to. So thank you for watching.